Hey guys, welcome back. At this class, we'll be creating our SIG with our humidity sensor. So, what do we need? The first part that we need is our BC A 548. This is a true ancestor, and you gotta recall that it has a circular surface and a flat surface, right? Which one you gotta connect? The flat surface, right? Don't connect. Just connect the flat source, right? In this way. Don't connect this in this way, okay? Because why? Let me please just do it. Don't do this, okay? Because you are connecting this in the same line, in the same node, and that's not the idea, right? It's not a way to connect this. You gotta connect this in this way, okay? Three different pins, three different points, right? Look at nothing else, right? The next point regarding our circuit, right? We gotta read our circuit. Keep reading our circuit, right? Our circuit is staying this. One and the one pin I gotta connect the negative part of this LED, right? Then this is the LED, right? This is the LED. Because that the LED does have a shortest pin that does the negative, right? The negative that is the shortest has to be connected to the one to the first pin. Okay, sometimes it's hard to connect because the product board or the motherboard is so new. So here, okay, you gotta pay a lot of attention that is connected at the same here. Don't connect here because it won't work, right? You connect this here, it won't work because the current isn't connected, right? Isn't flowing correctly here. It's not connected. You have to connect. Okay, and recall this is the shortest. Okay, now connect this here. Regarding our circuit, the next or this pin, the positive pin, is connected to a 1 kilogram resistance. Recall the 1 kilogram resistance is brown, black, red. Brown, black, red. Each resistance does have its own color code. Then we are not going to dip into this topic right now. So you just connect the resistor. You gotta connect the first pin, right? The first pin here, right? To another part. It doesn't matter. Okay? It doesn't matter where you connect this. Just connect, right? You have to pay a lot of attention to connect this properly here at this line, not here, no, here. You gotta connect the energy, right? So later, regarding our circuit, you have to connect here. This is the positive. Just put a jumper, right? A jumper, a longer jumper, right? This is your positive, right? It's gonna be your positive. If you wanna have a red wire or a red jumper to recognize that is the positive, much better. That's a positive. Now let's continue and connect another resistance, another 1 kilograms, brown, black, red, to the number 2, to the pin number 2. Look at, just connect the pin number 2, right? Nothing else. It was not here. As I say, connect another resistance to the pin number 2. And the another one, connect this here to make this smoother. Connect this so close, right? Sometimes it's hard to connect. I totally understand. Right here and here. Okay? I just connect a resistance from the pin number 2 to so close here. Why so close? Because this capacitor, this is a ceramic capacitor. You got to recall that there are two kinds of capacitor. The first one is the electric capacitor, and the second one is the ceramic capacitor, right? This capacitor has to be connected to the 2 to the 3rd. Okay? Here. Connect the resistance with this. Okay? Just connect the 2 and 3. Do it over. We don't have the resistance, right? We have to put the resistance by using from the pin number 2 to what, Tisha? To so close because we need to use the current. So here, that's why I put this so closed, because we will need to be using the same current. Now, this capacitor doesn't have polarity, right? You can say connect the 2 and the 3rd of this pin, right? And the 3rd. You gotta connect the 2 and 3rd. Okay. Sometimes it's hard to connect, then you gotta just open all of the entrance, right? Right. It does happen because this is so new, okay? Then when it's so new, you gotta do this one time. You gotta open all the pins, right? Now later I'm watch it. What did I do? I use the capacitor to connect the 3rd pin of this resistor to this resistance. Okay? Nothing else. Later, you're going to check this out. Put 2 jumpers here. Okay? No, here. Move this to another pot. Right? Okay. To here. You just move this. Okay? You just move this. Nothing else. Look at this. I didn't do nothing else, right? Look at. This is the circuit. Nothing else, right? Now, you just grab 2 jumpers and connect 1 jumper here and another jumper here. Okay? With the same line of this and the same line of this. That's all. Okay? You have here 3 jumpers. Those jumpers will be inserted into the water, and this is the positive, right? Now, what is the negative? Where's the negative? The negative has to be connected to this pot, right? Then this is the negative, right? Negative, you have to connect the negative here, right? Here, this is the negative, okay? Negative here, right? Como si, negative here. Negative here. Positive. Positive is this, right? So just change this because I have another. Change this. So let me please change this jumper to have a longest one. I just want to have a longest one, okay? It's the same circuit, okay? Check this out. Okay? So I gotta connect. Now we have to confirm that it's working, right? Let's get closer to this. No, working, right? That's how we have to create the circuit, okay? This is so important for us. So if you got some questions, watch this video over again and over again, or comments your doubts below, okay? See you at the next video, and it's time to crack the books. It's my pleasure. See you in the next class.